Are you tired of buying cat trees that are just too small for adult cats? Or worse, wobble every time they jump on them? If you have a large cat, a Maine Coon, or just a delightfully chunky feline, you need something built specifically for their size and weight. Enter the Globlazer 61-inch heavy-duty cat tower. This beautiful light gray cat tree isn't just another piece of pet furniture, it's a comprehensive vertical playground designed from the ground up for big cats. Let's talk about comfort first. At the very top, you'll find an extra-large perch measuring 17.7 by 17.7 inches. It's the absolute perfect size for a big cat to stretch out and keep an eye on their kingdom, or even for multiple kittens to snuggle up together. Down below, when it's time for a cozy, uninterrupted nap, this tower delivers not just one, but two incredibly spacious cat condos. These aren't those tiny boxes your cat can't even turn around in. It's 17.7 by 17.7 by 13.8 inches each. They offer roomy, private retreats for your adult cats to relax and observe their surroundings in peace. Of course, we can't forget about your home's furniture. To keep your couches safe, the Globlazer Tower comes equipped with 7 natural sisal scratching posts. These promote healthy scratching habits and keep those claws well maintained. And for playtime, it includes fun dangling balls and hanging mouse toys to keep your cats entertained, enriched, and active all day long. It's sturdy, it's spacious, and it's exactly what your big cat deserves. If you want to grab the Globlazer 61-inch cat tower for your furry friend, I've put the direct link to buy it right in the video description, and you will also find the link in the first pinned comment below. Make sure to click that link to check out the details. If you loved this video and want to see more, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment letting me know your cat's name. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.